Greetings! Welcome back. So today we're gonna do ahi tuna with a tuna pesto. What? Yeah, ahi tuna with a tuna pesto. And we're gonna make the pesto from scratch, and I'll show you how. So you're gonna need the following things. All right, some ground ginger, thyme. You need some salt. In this case, I'm doing a chipotle salt. You need red wine vinegar, olive oil, some coriander, ground coriander, parsley, need basil, garlic, okay? Now, for everything else, you're gonna need some bell peppers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, an apple, a cucumber, you're gonna need some celery, okay? You're also gonna need a radish, and you're gonna need some peppers. You're gonna need some red onions as well too, okay? So we're gonna put all that into here, the food processor, and voila, our pesto is done, okay? So, all right, put some carrots, celery, your red bell pepper inside there as well, red bell pepper, another cucumber, pepper. Here is your red onion you're putting in. Also going to put in apple right there. Also going to put in, voila, that is a gherkin, which is basically another name for a pickle right there. This is a golden berry. Two golden berries. Brown sugar. Minced garlic. Right there. Red wine vinegar. Olive oil. Everything's in. Let's blend. Everything's blended together. So now we add in tuna. Right there. That's the missing ingredients, the tuna. So here's our pesto now, with everything blended inside it. Okay? All right, now it's time to cook our tuna. Okay? So let's start. It's 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. We're adding our oil. I know, too much oil. But got a good reason for it. So as you see, we've added in all the veggies that was making up our pesto right there on the sides. Okay. Now we're gonna add in the seasoning. Everything is seasoned. Now we're gonna cover it up. Remember, 2 minutes per side. Almost done. Look at that. Now we're gonna finish sauteing all of our veggies. And here we have it. This is our ahi tuna with a pesto sauce on it. So the veggies and stuff that I cooked are on the bottom, the pesto sauce is on top of the veggies, and the ahi tuna is right on top. So have a blessed day.